Hey guys, welcome back. So I have got my February Ipsy and Boxycharm by Ipsy to show you guys. So this was sent to me as PR, so thank you so much to Ipsy for sending this my way. So what I like to do is I go ahead and open these up, try out the products inside so I can kind of share some mini reviews and first impressions. I was going to set this down, but I feel like it's just going to all go everywhere. So we'll just hold it for a second. But I open these up, try out the products inside, and then I can share some like first impressions with you guys on these products and do a little unboxing. So that's what we're gonna do today. If you're new here, my name is Leslie. Welcome. I love to do unboxings, new at the drugstore, favorites videos, empties, just a lot of fun stuff here on my channel. So if you're new, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button and stuck around for a while. I'd love to have you here on my channel. So yeah, we are chatting about February Ipsy, so let's get to it. So starting with my Ipsy bag, the bag is adorable. It's got a little charm on it. So first off, I got a palette, which I'm so excited about. And I do have this on my eyes, but throughout the three different things, I got 3 different palettes, which I'm so excited about. So I tried each of them, but I only have 2 eyeballs and there were a lot of eyeshadows. So I tried it out as best I could. So I've got it on my eyes, but obviously I couldn't use every shade in it. This is from Dear Nova. This is the eyeshadow palette. Yeah, I think that says Dear Nova. So this is what it looks like. And then cute like packaging and design to it. So here are some quick swatches. Very pretty. I mean, the ones that I used from this palette were very blendable, easy to work with. Seems like a really good formula. I used this one, this one, this one, and this one, amazingly. Yeah, I mean, a tiny little bit. I just kind of kept blending more colors in my crease is what I was doing. So I'm very excited about that. That's probably my favorite thing in here. I got a setting spray. So this is from Mo Beauty, and this is the Set It Up setting spray. Cute packaging. I liked the sprayer on it, but it has a scent, and I sprayed it all over my face, and I was like, oh no. It's like a perfumey sort of scent. I'm not a fan of the scent of it. So I can't smell it now, so it kind of seems to dissipate over time, but definitely when I sprayed it, I could smell it. So, I mean, it seemed to spray nicely and seems like a good formula. It's just the scent that I'm not a fan of. Okay, then I got a moisturizer. This is from Feel, and this is the Probiotic Moisturizer. Protects skin, reduces fine lines, increases skin elasticity. So to try the different skincare products, I sort of just put them on different areas of my face. And of course, skincare, you want to try it more long-term to know long-term benefits. But I kind of applied these like this area of my face. And this seems like a good moisturizer. Kind of a lighter, not super heavy and overly emollient formula. But not gel-like. It's still kind of, I would describe it as sort of a light cream, like maybe in between a gel and a cream. So it seems nice, seemed to sink into my skin nicely. Then I got the Dr. Brandt eye cream, and I used this last night. I liked this. It doesn't seem like a super thick eye cream. It's kind of a, I would say like lighter sort of a formula. So actually, I think this maybe would be good under makeup. It just sort of feels like refreshing or something under the eyes. And it's just not that super thick cream sort of a formula. And then last thing I got in here is a lipstick. This is from Real Her. And this is the Celebrate Diversity Matte Lipstick. And I have this on right now. I love this. This is very cute. This is what the packaging looks like. I love a cute little lipstick. It's perfect for in your purse, perfect for travel, perfect to get to try different colors. This is beautiful. It's like a beautiful mauve-y pink, really comfortable formula, nice and creamy. I would describe it as more of a cream to satin, more so than a matte, but I really like the formula and I love the color. So definitely a win. I would say this and the palette are my favorites in here. Okay, next up, my Boxycharm by Ipsy. Here is a little look in here. Fun. So what I do is I like take the products out of here and like take them into my bathroom or vanity or wherever so that I can try them. And then I try my best to get them back into the boxes that they were in originally. So I think I did that correctly. So hopefully I did. Okay, so first off, I got the Malin and Goats Recovery Treatment Oil. So this is just kind of like that, you know, not overly fancy packaging, but totally like functional and fine. So this is what it looks like. This is a pretty like thinner sort of consistency oil. And I don't even know how to describe the scent. I mean, it's definitely like that herbal sort of a scent to it. So I used this kind of on this area of my face, and I liked it. It seemed to blend in nicely. It says, our fast absorbing treatment is formulated with a blend of 9 antioxidant rich oils that nourish and hydrate and help address the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So yeah, I think if you like a face oil, which I definitely do, this one seems like a nice one. It felt nice and hydrating. And yeah, seems good. Then I got a hair serum. This is from, looks like Silky, but then it says Sleek at the top. And this is the Hair Serum Repair Therapy Vitamin E and macadamia and jojoba oils for all hair types. So I tried this last night. So I put this on my hair last night before I went to bed and then washed it this morning and styled it. So I have very fine flat hair, and I have to be really careful with just like hydrating products or oils or creams, anything like that. I have to be really careful with it just because it can weigh down my hair. So this, I could really only use this at nighttime because when I put it, it says that you can use it on damp hair before styling, or you can run it on dry hair for a glossy finish. So I would just almost have to use it as like a treatment oil at night because it definitely made my hair very glossy feeling. I think if you have thicker, maybe coarser hair, just not fine flat hair like me, this would probably work really well for you. Even during the day, I don't know about like using it on damp hair. I didn't try it that way, but the way I use it, I mean, I think I might use it like as a nighttime treatment. Then I got the Dallas & James Watermelon Dream Clarity Serum, and I like this. I used this morning under my makeup because it says glittering drops of salicylic acid, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, which I love during the day. Mandelic acid decongest pores while locking in hydration. Skin barrier is strengthened with ceramides and squalene. This was nice and light. It's a very lightweight serum, so it played nicely under my makeup. It sunk into my skin really nicely. It didn't feel heavy or too like thick or anything like that. So I definitely like this for, I mean, it says you can use it morning or night. Yeah, use morning or night for best results, and it says for all skin types. So I like this. I would use it both, but I like that it's light, that I could use it during the day regularly. Okay, next up, this shocked me. This is from MAC, and this is the Lash Dry Shampoo Mascara Refresher. First off, love this beautiful turquoise packaging, the black and turquoise. That is so pretty. Kind of matches my shirt a little bit. Obviously, I love turquoise, so I love this packaging. Or maybe even like a, yeah, I guess you'd call this turquoise more than like a seafoam green. Anyway, I love this packaging. This like shape of this wand, it makes it really easy to hold. So what this says is, it says hit refresh on your mascara, apply over set mascara to revive your lashes. No makeup remover needed. It looks like there's the before and there's the after. So I used this yesterday on dry mascara and it worked. It really worked. Like, I don't even know. It just was almost like adding another layer of mascara and really kind of refreshing the look of the mascara. And it didn't feel crunchy. It was very fascinating. So I definitely think this works, and it seems like a good product. That's, you know, kind of like a, I don't even know how to describe that wand, but there's the wand, and I like it. I'm very surprised by this, but I will definitely continue to use this. It seemed to really work. Okay, and then last up, I'm so excited about this. This is beautiful. A palette from Ace Beauté, I think is how you pronounce it. This is what the packaging looks like. So this is the Mystic Romance palette. This is gorgeous. I love their shadows. They're very nice and blendable. So let me just try to like swatch these quickly for you. There are those, super pigmented. These are blendable and easy to work with. I mean, look at that pigment. You can see, I'm just like quickly swatching these. What have I done and not done? I think I've done those. There you go. Look at that one. Wow. And then what else do we need to do? I think just these three. So pretty. So I have this on my eyes. So I have this one on my eyes. I have this one as my blush. I use that as my blush, and it worked. That's always fun with an eyeshadow if it works as a blush too. I have a little bit of this in my outer corner, And I think that's mainly what I used from this palette. Yeah, I think I used a little bit of this one and then a tiny bit of this. I maybe used this one, I can't remember. But great formula, nice and blendable. So yeah, definitely a fan of this box. I would say my standout favorites would be this serum for under makeup and the mascara refresher. Is that what it was called? Mascara refresher, and then the palette. Those are my standout favorites. And then last up, the icon box. Here is a little look in here. Let me show you. There you go. Okay, lots of fun goodies in here. I don't want to block the camera. Let's get this where I can get in here. Okay, so first off, let's start with the thing I was not a fan of. Let's just get that out of the way. Where is it? It's a mascara. Okay, it's the KVD Full Sleeve Long Plus Define Tubing Mascara. Was not a fan of this. Packaging is beautiful on it. This is what it looks like. The wand is kind of a unique shape. It's like it gets kind of fatter at the end. Wand was fine. I find that a lot of tubing mascaras just don't work for me for what I'm looking for in a mascara. I like fluttery volume that really builds on itself nicely so you can get like a lot of volume and length. This one just kind of seemed to do a lot more separating, and I just couldn't get that kind of fluttery volume look with it. So I do have this on, but then I kind of saved it with another mascara. So mostly what my lashes look like right now are from another mascara. So this is just, yeah, it didn't work for me. I'm very picky about mascaras. I think they're very personal preference of what you're looking for, what your lash type is, and what, you know, all those things. So there's that. Then I got a hair cream. This is from Sachajuan, the Heat Protection Hair Cream. So like I said, I have very fine, flat hair. And for me, this is a little bit too creamy and thick and hydrating. It's not like it was super thick and heavy. I used it before, I applied it to damp hair before I blew dry my hair. Is that the word? And then heat styled it. And it's not like it was super weighed down or anything, but I could just tell a difference. So I think this is a little bit too silky and creamy for my hair type, but I typically can't use hair creams. But if you have more, just like I said, not fine, flat hair, I think you would probably like this if you like a hair cream, because it did seem nice and silky feeling. Then I got the Silky Rinse. This is from Kiramoon. Silky Rinse from Kiramoon. This is a gentle, hydrating facial cleanser, ceramides and rose water. So it says that it gently and effectively removes pore buildup, excess oil, and makeup without drying or disrupting the skin barrier. So I applied this kind of here on my face, and it did seem to work for that area of my face, but then I tried to remove like some eye makeup with it, and it didn't seem to work super well with that. So I would use this more probably for removing makeup swatches or something like that, or this area of my face, and then use something else for my eye makeup because I wear a ton of eye makeup and a lot of mascara. But the packaging is super cute on this. Love that. And it smells good. Like, I don't know how to describe it. Is it like maybe cucumber or something? It's very fresh smelling. So I like the scent of it. And for removing anything other than eye makeup, I think it works well. Okay, then I got the Drunk Elephant Wonder Wild Miracle Butter. It says Rescue and Remedy. Why is this so hard to say? Marula butter and Meadow Foam oil. Cute packaging on it, the different colors to it. This is what it looks like. So this is a all-over salve that rescues and soothes dry, chapped, irritated, or compromised skin, supporting skin's own natural healing abilities. So I use this just right here on my face where I'm a little bit more dry, and then I also use it on my hands. And yeah, this is very thick. It is a thick, emollient, almost balm type of a product, but then it kind of melts into the skin. So I am more combo oily skin, so I definitely would not need this in my T-zone, but maybe on my cheeks. But it also says that you can use it like on your elbows and my hands are always dry, so I will definitely use this on my hands too. So if you're looking for a really rich, hydrating product, this seems nice. Then I got a couple of products from this line, and I looked it up, and I think you pronounce this Give, from the brand Give. And this is the I'm Still Here Lightweight Long Wear Matte Liquid Lipstick. And I got the shade Flannel, so I tried this yesterday. And it is more like a traditional but comfortable version of a traditional liquid lipstick. Here is what the applicator looks like on it. This color is like a, how would I describe this? Like a deep, cool toned mauve sort of a shade. Very pretty color. It seemed to wear well. I mean, even through eating and just kind of wearing it for a while, it did seem to wear well. And it kind of left that slight tacky feeling on my lips. Not uncomfortable tacky, but just where it's that almost like slight bit of hydration that makes it a little bit more comfortable as you wear it. So it does seem like a true liquid lipstick, but a more comfortable version of one. So I like that. Then I got an eyeliner, the Line It Up, I can't read that, something gel pencil eyeliner, and this is in the shade Bathwater. Here is what this looks like. So I have this on my upper lash line and kind of winged out. This is very pretty, nice gel formula, didn't drag on my eyes at all, applied really nicely. This is a beautiful kind of bright blue color. I like this. I won't wear this color a ton, but I like the formula of it. And for like a fun makeup look, you know, it is a beautiful shade. Okay, then I got this, which this kind of surprised me. I got a brush, and then the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax. So I did not think I would be a huge fan of this because I don't use brow wax like regularly at all. But I used it today and I ended up actually really liking it. Now I used too much product, so don't be me. I thought I was using just a little bit, but I mean, a little bit goes a long way with this product. And I had like a big glob of it over here, so I was having to deal with that. But once I had the right amount, I mean, it really does freeze your brow hairs up. So I applied my brow pencil first just to kind of fill them in, and then I used it. And I like how it ended up looking. So it really surprised me because I don't use brow gels or brow freeze type products regularly, or like really hardly at all unless I'm trying one, but I like that. I think I'm gonna use it. Okay, I am so excited about this. I think this is my favorite thing in all these boxes and bags, is the Dominique Essential Palette. Here's what the outside box looks like. Here is the palette itself. It is weighty, it definitely has some weight to it. I love this color story so much. Just looking at this, I'm gonna reach for this palette a ton. This is gorgeous. I'm gonna lightly swatch these because I don't wanna mess these up. I just wanna like keep them perfect because I love this palette. I used this one, yes, this one in my crease, this one on my lids, and a little bit of this on my lids, and very blendable, nice and pigmented. Look how gorgeous this is. I actually used this as my cheek highlight too, and it worked great. So I am a huge fan. Clearly, I'm excited about this palette. This is just stunning. I love this color story. I love that you get mattes here and beautiful metallic shades. They're all super pigmented, blended well. It says beauty inside and out. It's just gorgeous. I love this. Okay, favorites in here, definitely the palette for sure. That's my absolute favorite out of everything. And then I think the brow freeze, which just still shocks me, but I love that. The liner is beautiful, and I will definitely use this for dry areas of my skin. So I'd say those are my standout favorites. And yeah, I think that wraps up this video. Those are all the goodies that I got. Thank you so much, Ipsy. If you want to subscribe to Ipsy, I will leave my link down below. No pressure whatsoever to use my link, but if you do, thank you so much. I would love to know what you are excited to get in your box or bag. Let me know that, or what you did get. Ask me any questions that you have. I'm happy to answer those. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.